On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Happy last day of April. April's actually been a decent month. It didn't start decent. It didn't start decent at all. All right. However, will it be a sell in May and go away? I don't know. I don't think so. I think we just getting started. Let me know. Put a 1 in the chat if you think it's sell in May and go away. Put a 2 in the chat if we're going to go to the moon. And hopefully we can send these super chats and memberships to the moon for the mods today. And hopefully we can bang out some nice trades for them. Today is Mod Day. Good morning, everybody. What is going on? We got Jeffrey, Stone Cipher, Clay the Great, Frost Dog, Billionaire. What's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Gang, gang, gang. LJ, Jacob D, Jaztec, Donato Cabrera, Alexandra, G, Shy Owl, Albert Radja, Gook, Carius. What's going on? Call me Risky Gains for Life. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Let's go. Let's go. DDT in the chat, what's going on? Quick Smoker, my man, what's going on as well? Call me Dave. Call me whatever you want, Dave. Airdropper, Chantel, Django, Massey, what's going on? Welsh Jesse. Try to say that like 10 times. Welsh Jesse. James Millman, what's going on? Chili Hills Burgess, what's going on as well? I just gave some memberships away, so let's see. Martin R. Lurker, Hanu Lurker, Roger Taylor Lurker, Edumundo Avila. I think I've seen you before, but I'm going to call you a lurker, not a lurker. That worked out. Hank Ash, lurker, unknown player, lurker. Angie, what's going on? Good morning to you. And Alexandru. Not Alexander, Alexandru. And my man, Mr. Chicken. The chicken himself, Crypto Pollo. What's going on, man? How you doing? Are you long like Donkey Kong or what? Jeez. I mean, our Discord was on fire yesterday. Not only did we catch a whole bunch of trades, but we had an Adam and Eve in here that we shorted. I shorted off of the VWAP in here, so I shorted right here. I think that was right here. Boop. Yeah, that was that. Big R multiple. Baby, baby, baby. Coming down to our golden pocket. Beautiful trade. And then the long dong. I mean, it was a bit late. I mean, I'm 7, 8 o'clock. I'm not really trading. But we did come down perfectly to our point of control, only to bounce yet again. So we are continuing bouncing here. The bulls aren't giving up. The bulls aren't giving up. We got this nice. This was our POC last night. If we take this and we pull it to the data that we would have had last night, would have been something like this. You could have seen that POC was here. Now it's up here again. Okay. So beautiful little tappage. Beautiful tappage. I love some good tappage, you know? Tapas, tapage, whatever you're into, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Looks like we're getting a push here into a big order block. Okay, so we got this nice little order block in here, coming for the sweep of the highs. Never did come for that high yesterday at 95.7. So are we going to get there today? We'll see. We'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Rima, what's going on? What a life. No glove, no love. The stream for the mods, baby. Lots of love. Lots of love for the mods. It does seem as though we are pushing here. Can we continue upwards? No trade right now. I mean, the long was down below. And woo, woo, that was a big sneeze. But we'll see if we continue to push here. I will getting overextended, putting in a new high right now. So after you put in a new high, you should be well aware that you could possibly come back down for a higher low. Okay, after mitigating a high, you can very much expect some sort of possible retracement. Doesn't mean we're going to come down, just means we could get a retracement. Oof. Wild times, man. Choppy market, though, eh? What a choppy market. Donato Cabrera, Remo, I'm a Okima. Good morning from Nigeria. Thank you for being here. What a life, BC. What's going on? Steve Hickey, Zena with the pink hand. Good morning to you. Geronimo, Dream Big. What's going on? Just cover it. Shamitris, good morning to you. Benny Blanco from the Bronx. What's going on? I'm waiting for that, like, one day everybody changes their name to something rude and inappropriate, and then we just read it all off anyways. I'm an outer boy, short and stout. Here is my handle. Here is my spout. Yeah? I got it, man. Frank Fit for Life, Byron, what's going on? OG Blockchain, Richard M, Mr. NJC, what's going on, bro? Good to see you here. LJ, D. Good morning, Alex and Otter. Gang. Let's go, baby. The glove. Oh, Dan Bartley, Massey, Guile, good morning to you. JK's Worlds. God bless you as well. Thank you for the kind words. We had a good sleep. I'm kidding. We did not. I mean, I went on the couch last night, so my wife is probably dying, tired. But I tried to stay, but he wasn't having it. He's in this it's almost like he's in an attachment thing where, like, he doesn't want us, like, even yesterday when I was watching him and my wife would leave the room, he would start crying. It's like, I think he's going through a little bit of like withdrawal. I don't know how to say it. Like, he's such a cool little guy and he's so good during the day. Separation anxiety, is that what it's called? That's what my wife says. That's what my wife gets when I leave to play golf. Is that true? She said, yeah. My wife. Oh, man. Lots of twos in the chat. Not a lot of ones, eh? So it's not sell in May. You don't think it's sell in May? Okay. We'll see. Sell in May. Quick Smoker says sell in May and go away. We'll see. Good morning, Defiant. Good morning, gang. Better call KP, William Lake. Good morning, Ash Mr. Hussein, what's going on? Not, good morning. Good to see you. Lasers, Wolf and Bear, Gains for Life, my man. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Eddie, Short Squeeze incoming. Good morning, everyone. Good to see you. Froth Dog's making it heard. Making it heard. Okay, rolling over a little bit here. Let's see what we can find. Can we make some moolah for the mods today? I think we go short here. A little short scalp for the mods? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Let's mitigate this low first, please. Sorry about the tissue. My nose was running. I guess I'm a bit nasally this morning. We lose the low here. Look for the low for the short there. A little bit of liquidity in the lows here. Could easily come right down in here for VWAP slap. A little bit of patience right now. We'll see what happens. I don't know. This doesn't really seem like topping structure to me. Yeah, we didn't put in an extra high. If we put in a high above this high here, then okay, bearish divergence. A little bit more convincing. Nothing yet. Okay. Army Piper with the $20. Love to the otters. It was a sell in January, he says. Sell in January and go away. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you, Piper, for blessing the channel, man. God bless you, bro. Wolf and Bear, Gains for Life, F1, Joshua, Kuzin. Long, he says. I don't think we're long in the top, my friend. No long in the top. Worcestershire or Wash Your Sister. That's Wash Your Sister in Texas, lasers. I identify as a lurker. Dusty. You are dusty, so it's like you've been in the back shelf for a while. So you can be a lurker if you'd like. Sniper Paul, what's going on? Crypto Rob. Night Rains, Roaming Brave. Good to see you, man. Kaluk, good morning. Byron Miller. Otter Gang, F the world. Or is it free the world? I think it's F the world. 51st state, baby. Good evening from the other side of the world. It's the otter side of the world, by the way. Welcome. Chili's. All right. Chopping about here. Papacoin Bratochka, what's going on? Good to see you, Neil. Dave Cryptic. Injective well in profit. Thanks, Alex. Did we take the injective trade? Well, we gave Tia last night. What's injective doing here? We gave injective. You're looking for the bounce in the green box here. Okay. We gave Celestia last night. That was last night. Ooh-wee. We up, baby. 4%. Catching that bottom, baby. Catching that bottom. We also gave the bounce level for Bitcoin, which was good. I mean, our Discord is on fire. On fire. Kyle gave you guys the beautiful, look at that handsome man. He gave you guys the Adam and Eve setup last night. I slapped that VWAP trade, so I got in a little bit earlier than Kyle, but still a great trade from Kyle. Then we had what do we have here? So we had that VWAP setup down. Then we had the long setup waiting down here for everybody. And then, you know, in the yellow box, point of control, it bounced in it. So far, so good. So, I mean, great job, everybody. The family is killing it. Look at all these beautiful good mornings. Look at all these good mornings. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Oh, man, what a gang, man. I love these guys. You guys are incredible. We do have a live stream today at noon. Looking forward to hanging out with you guys and finding some more money-making machine Trade setups, baby. Let's go. Splash Landon Neff, good morning. Paul Caruso, what's going on? Gang, gang, gang. Let's effing go, baby. Let's effing go. Sniper's Nightmare, my man. Dylan V8, LJ, the best trades are always when I'm sleeping. They are. That's typically how it goes. Bless you, lasers are pink. Look at the bounce here. Coming back up here. Oof. No mitigation of the low here, so a little bit of patience. Morning, folks. Double SFP on the 15-minute. Wave cipher is all over it, man. All over it. What's going on, Wave Cipher? Good to see you. He's the master of the fart coin, guys. Don't mess with his methane. I mean his method. He's just the master of the methane, baby. What's going on, Crypto Sammy? Good to see you, bro. Sapphire. Da Pinky and the Brain. That's a name, man. One is a genius, the other's insane, man. Good morning. Good to see you. HFG log out. Love from India. Jacob D. We got news in 15 minutes, everybody. I'm just preparing you guys. We got news in 15 minutes. Some fundamental analysis, okay? Coming in hot. 8:30, we got GDP. 10 a.m., we got core PCE. 10 a.m., we got personal income and personal spending, man. Are you guys ready to rumble today, baby? Then, what else do we have? We have earnings today, too. What are the earnings today? We got what do we got today? Wednesday, we got Meta, we got Microsoft, we got Etsy. We in for a world of hurt today, guys. Today is just news driven. Let's just be prepared for that, okay? News driven. And that's fine. We are always prepared. We are always prepared as best as possible. Trying to make some moolah, okay? Look at the new high we've put in from the S&P. This, in my opinion, encourages like a little retracement back into here, but, you know, up only. 56 is our target. We'll see if we get there. A very nice push up here for the S&P. Nonetheless, the NASDAQ rolling over a bit. This has been our major support level. We called that yesterday. It came back down here, and it seems as though we're rolling over this morning. Is someone having a bad earnings day? What did we say? We said Microsoft, Meta. Oh, Meta's down. Meta's down. Microsoft, pretty flat, but Meta is down. Woo! Could be in for an interesting day, friends. I don't know. Mr. Zuckerberg is maybe the curly afro is not working out for him. You see that guy's fro, man? He's got like the full on. He looks like Frodo Baggins. Oh man, Ian. Good morning, F-bomb. What's going on? Dave L. Good day, Lewis, Frost, Alex, Honda Man, Deanne's, Crypto Same, Andrew Yukovic. Good morning. What's your handicap? I last year I shot low 80s, so I'm looking to break 80 this year. I don't really know my handicap, Andrew. All I know is I took lots of lessons over the winter, and I hit a 300-yard bomb carry, and I'm only 5'4". That's all I know about golf, man. This looks like it's coming down right now. Can we mitigate this low? We do have a nice little trigger wave forming here on the 3-minute. 15-minute rolling over. We can do a little bit of top down. So what's really happened? So, you know, we had the big old fake out yesterday. We can talk about this because it's important. So we had our favorite pattern of all time. You guys all should know by now that I hate symmetrical triangles. Okay, so we had this symmetrical triangle. What did I say? We were going to get fake out. What happened? We faked out and we dumped, okay? Everybody's like, oh my God, I'm selling my house. And they got absolutely rugged, okay? So don't get faked out by this stupid pattern. It happened, okay? Then what did we do? We came back down. Now we got like more of an ascending triangle. Okay, I like an ascending triangle. These are much better. Okay, because you got a flat top, very simple. I mean, this looks horrible right now, but you know what I mean. We got this ascending. So that means that buyers are just simply coming in at lower prices. Okay, big buyers stepping in here and in here and in here and in here and in here, suggesting price continuation. However, with something like this, we still need to be prepared, like yesterday, for the fake out. Okay, so if we are going to pop, lock, and drop it, we know that we have resistance in front of us. We've been looking at the golden pocket / this red box all week, last week. Okay, we know what's in front of us if we are going to go. Okay, so let's be prepared for that push to only put in a lower high and fake everybody out and then dump it all the way down to our key levels below. Be prepared for that. Or we could just simply lose this and come back and grab all this liquidity down below. Okay, so we're very much range bound. So we want to treat this like a range until proven otherwise. And right now, we are simply bouncing off of our golden pocket, swing low to swing high. Okay, and we have continuation to the upside. Okay, very simple, but very effective nonetheless. Okay, so we can look here. We're starting to put in a nice shelf of volume here up at the top where you can see prices really chopping about. And then we have a little bit of support down here at 93.7, which we tapped yesterday. Okay, we can see the beautiful little tap. I believe it was swing low to swing high in here. Nope, it was this one. Okay, and we had a perfect golden pocket bounce yesterday that we were looking for in our Discord that you could have easily longed if you're awake at, I don't know, 8 o'clock at night and you're looking to trade. Okay, I don't typically trade at this time, but we always keep you prepared with a little update every now and then, trying to keep you guys informed. Okay, now market cipher. What is it saying? Market cipher, the 4-hour looks really good. Look at this money flow coming in. VWAP crossover, green dot confirmed. Okay, looks really good. I'm not going to lie. Okay, 12-hour. I think the ski ramp, look at this thing. It's starting to ramp. Okay, inward curving. Very important to understand. Inward curving suggests continuation. Doesn't mean we can't do something like this, but this part we can make money off of. Okay, VWAP crossover to the upside. Very bullish. Okay, so this is looking bullish going into tomorrow, depending on earnings and news and all the garbage that comes along with it. Okay, Bitcoin rolling over right now, mitigating the lows. I look for a retest of previous lows, short here. Come down to VWAP, quick little scalp. Maybe we can make some money for the beautiful, beautiful mods here. Crypto Sammy, what's going on? Hodl Crypto, Dylan, good morning to you. Wajeb, Ace of Hearts 420. Army Piper blessing the mods today with the $20 super chat. God bless you, bro. Paul Caruso. Missed my good morning. Jesse, good morning. Good to see you, bro. Nick, what's going on, Nick? Good to see you as well. Jake's Sniper's Nightmare. Jesse, good luck. Honda Man Lasers. Patrick Swayze. Daniel, what's going on? Hey them. Hey them or hey you, man. What's going on? Good roll over here. Damn, Daniel, coming down to grab all this liquidity in here. News in 8 minutes. Damn, they're not going to give us a retest, eh? Jeez. Coming down into VWAP here. NASDAQ looks like complete trash. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Looking for the retest back up here. Continuation short. Good morning, Shark Vin. Good to see you. Jake's Easy Exact. What's going on? I like the name, man. Zen, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Dave L. Good morning. Safir, good morning to you, man. Yasa, good morning. Good to see you. Is that a sufficient dump, though? Didn't come for the liquidity at the low here. Continuation of higher lows. A little bit of a fake out. Retest to previous lows is coming in right now. Not sure if I like it now. I'm going to get short here. I'm going to take a little stab short down into VWAP. We'll see if we do roll over. Might be a bad idea. I should consult Sniper's Nightmare before taking trades this early. I'm short. Stop loss above this wick here. It's like a 1-to-1 trade. It might not be a good idea here, friends. We'll see. We shall see. I mean, we're coming into our bounce level 2 in here. We do have news coming our way as well. I just like to see this come down to VWAP, to be honest. Come on, Bitcoin, roll over, baby. Pay the mods. Pay the mods. I want to pay the mods. I don't want to lose any money this morning. Roll over. Come on. A little bit more? No? We need Sniper's Nightmare coaching advice here, man. I'd like to take it at VWAP down here. At least in this low. I don't like coming into news in a trade, though. Got 3 minutes here. It's not going to take my trade? Is it being a... Wow. Wow. It's not going to take it. That's dirty, man. Let's see what happens. I don't like this into news, guys. Price being a douche canoe. That's for sure. Dump it, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Dump it, baby. Stop loss to entry. News is coming, guys. Stop loss to entry. TP1 hit. Up $50. Stop loss to entry just because of news. Okay. GG's, everybody. Quick little scalp for the mods this morning. Got to get her toes wet for those mods. GDP in 35 seconds. Quick $50 for the mods. If it does dump, great. If it comes back up and stops us out, at least we secured the bag, baby. Yeah, stopped out. That little wick right there stopped me out. Now it's gonna dump. Okay, volatile, volatile, volatile. Here we go. Why didn't it print? Got a pump and dump here. Negative GDP. What does that mean, Piper? Negative GDP. Negative GDP. All right, stopped out of that trade. Oh, I lost because of fees. I lost $12 on that trade, guys. But I'm still gonna give you guys $50. Okay. Yahoo! Taking trades into news is not smart. I'll still add 50 to the pot. 50 added. Because that's how we roll. It's gonna dump now. Look at that. My God. VWAP slap. VWAP slap. No VWAP slap. No trade. See if we can come back up and close above VWAP. Damn, that would have been a nice short, guys. Anybody still in the short? Put a 1 in the chat if you're still in that short. Good work. Good work. Liquidity at the lows here. Zoom out a little bit here. See if we have some targets lower. This is a nice liquidity squeeze. If we reclaim VWAP, we can look for this to pop back off. But right now we're looking liquidity probably. Let's see here. We got a golden pocket down here. We got a VWAP slap retest, so we can look for a continuation down off of VWAP. NASDAQ rolling over. No bounce. Into a little support level here. No trade for me. Nice short, everybody. Good job. We got a bunch of super chats here for the mods. For my Boets and sisters, DDT always sharing the love, man. God bless you, DDT. Thank you for supporting the channel and supporting the mods. The mods always get a screenshot of the stream after the stream once YouTube's calculated and they get paid. That's how it works. Always, always, always. This one's for the mods. Frank, Fit for Life Crypto. Blessing the mods as well. And all the awesome calls in the Discord. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Awesome. Doesn't look like a bounce yet. NASDAQ trying to push back. We'll see how the SPY opens up this morning. Coming down for the liquidity at the lows. Sweeping these guys in here, possibly. Okay, sweep of the lows coming in. That's a big sweep on. Jeez. What a dump. What a dump. It's this market's typical, man. It's like very much they don't know what to do. Sweep of the lows here. Buyers coming in. I guess they don't like the GDEPI. Big old sweep in here. Thank you, Frank Fit for Life. DDT. Jeez, you guys are still in this short. Sweep of the lows, bounce right now. Dump and pump for sure. Yeah, but when's the pump? That's it. We want confirmation, don't we? Coming back in, reclaiming lows. Not yet. Definitely not yet. Take it back up to VWAP possibly. No entry yet. This does smell like V-shaped recovery, doesn't it? At least up into VWAP. 1 minute. Up into here, maybe. No long yet. I'm happy to be in spot right now, yeah. GDP. GDP, yeah. SFP lows, yeah. You think we're coming down here? There's not a heck of a lot to stop us from coming at least into our golden pocket zone down here. Just waiting. Considering a long at the lows. Considering a long actually in here. We'll see if we get it. Good old dump for Bitcoin. See if it wants to come into our golden pocket, possibly take this up today. Retest to previous lows right now for the short. I'm not taking that short. Just concerned about a V-shaped recovery here. Nice rollover, though. Very good. Very, very good short this morning for everyone. I'm sorry, mods, I didn't hold it. At least we gave it, though. We gave it in advance, which is important. I think that's important. $94.2. Hair is a 7 today. My hair. I'm just happy I have it, man. Not so good for the GDP here. See if it wants to bounce. GDP dumping the market. -3. GDP quarter over contracted. Look at that. It's all been around 2, 3. That's not good, man. Look at this. It's all been pretty good. Now we got this ugly little -0.3 here. Eeh. That's really not good. Looks like Canada. Nice little bounce here. NASDAQ, oh my God. The NASDAQ's falling off a cliff. Well, I guess we're going to assume a gap down for the S&P. That would be the assumption, wouldn't it? We're looking for something like this, where it comes in here. Or the higher low, so like a sweep, a higher low, something like that. If we get the bounce. Right now, you don't fade this. This thing is aggressive. You don't want to get in the way of the train. Patience, patience, patience. Trump, Trump, Trump. Tariffs are paused? Uh-oh. What are we doing now? Tariffs paused. Retest the previous lows again. Big old liquidity grab here. Nasty, man. It's quite nasty. I'm going to get a hidden bull div in here. There's your hopium. There's your hopium. If we're going to push. What a candle, man. What a candle. Good morning. Good morning, America. A little pushback here. No trade for me. I'd like lower. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Today's stream is for the mods. If you do want to donate to the mods who keep us all safe and laughing and money making all the way home. Today is for them. Every last stream of every month, we always do a mod stream where I trade for the mods and hopefully make them lots of money. If I stayed in that short, I would have made you guys all rich today, and I failed you guys. Now I feel bad. You got this low in here. That's interesting. Sorry, I missed there. Cool moment yesterday. My son is saying dada now. I don't know if he fully knows that he's referring to me, but he's saying dada. So it's my heartstrings were kind of pulled yesterday. It's pretty cool. Baby otter. Yeah, baby otter's making dad all emotional. Typical. Alex takes 2 or 3 trades in the YouTube live, 2 or 3 in the Discord, and 2 or 3 in the chart hackers. Then he takes lunch. Yeah, that's that's pretty much it, Dave. Pretty busy day for me every day. Constantly trading, hanging out with everybody. Plenty of time to be patient, though, right? Plenty of time to be patient. A little bit of volume coming in here. It looks like it wants to continue down. NASDAQ still looks like crap. We are chopping a boot here. 1 minute. Pushback in a VWAP would be nice. Then we could potentially short it down for continuation. Retest the previous lows. Okay. Failure to close above. Could have shorted there. Didn't like it, to be honest. Not for me. Thank you, everybody, for being here, subscribing if you're new, hanging out in the Discord, all that good stuff. If you don't mind getting those likes up, please. We got 600 people in here. Nice little rug this morning. We'll see if we do want to possibly recover, but no trade right now, in my opinion. Just a little bit of patience. Bitcoin's doing its thing, baby. See if we can come up to VWAP. That would be ideal. Idle. Or we sweep the lows, right? We get a little push here, and a little sweep of the lows, and then a bounce. Or we push up to VWAP, we get a rejection, and we go down to 0. Either way, we'll figure it out. Pushing back here. Here's that V-shaped recovery we were talking about, possibly. So up to VWAP. Anybody get long in here? I don't think there's any reason to get long in here. We got a mitigation of the high here. This is decent. See if we want to keep pushing. Retest continuation trade here. Couple of you guys got long. Nice. Nice work. So you guys are all schlonging. You guys are schlonging in my stream on your wanking chariots. Great. Dada. He goes, dada, dada. Dada. So good. Love it. Hopefully you say his mama soon. Mama's boss. Lower sounds good to Defiant. Can I go over market cipher? Yeah, we can go over market cipher. So with market cipher right now, the 4 hour, and we always do this in the beginning of the stream. I just want to see if we get that breakout retest up to VWAP. I'll watch it on my other monitor. We had a fake out green dot, then we had GDP, which rugged everybody, right? GDP rug. We had a green dot confirmation, ramping of money flow. So it was looking really good this morning. the 3 hour as well. And then now we're printing a red dot. Doesn't mean it's confirmed yet. Okay, so it's not confirmed. And we're starting to get roundingness of our money flow. So money flow is coming out, but it's still rounding. So it's still an opportunity to come up. The 12 hour looks the best. Right now we have a VWAP crossover attempt. Right now we have since pushed down a little bit on this. Did that print just now? Yeah, that just printed. Damn. So we had a crossover coming, and it since has flattened out. So this was more aggressive this morning. So now flattening out, curving down possibly. So we could be coming out here. Oh man. So not as good as we saw this morning. Obviously we get that candle print. What is going on with my mouse? We get that candle print an hour ago. So at 8 o'clock, we should be watching this thing. So looking for this to come back up and cross over. Our 8 hour money flow looks good. VWAP crossover as well. So everything's pointing up right now. However, we have chop solidated, right? So we're very much looking for this ascending triangle to break out and probably fake everybody out. That would be my guess if I was to guess. But right now we're just very much range bound, right? So if we can get back up and challenge the top of the range, that would be good. We have this, ascending higher lows coming in, suggesting buyers are coming in, right? There's buyers coming in all the way through. So right now we can see that it's very just choppy sideways, right? Choppy sideways action makes me just trade it range bound, right? So if anything like this, you want to understand where your hot dog buns are. You can see we have a low and a high volume node in here. So right now we're trying to get back above here. Okay, and then we don't want to be getting chopped up too much in here, in my opinion. Okay, so we'll see how we react, but we're right back to where we started yesterday, which is kind of annoying, but also there's been ample opportunities if you're patient enough to take trades. The daily looks all right as well. So we have the daily curving back up in inward curvature. So curving back up in here. Okay, money's still green. The 12 hour has that inward curvature too on our momentum wave here. So that's always a good sign for a bullish continuation. But I don't know if we're out of the woods just yet. We still have room on our 3-day to reset. The overall market cipher looks bullish, but also overextended, okay? Overextended to the overbought area. Therefore, we should be aware that, we could possibly drop at any second. And if we do drop, it would be very aggressive, in my opinion. Okay? So be aware of that. Right now, looking for it to come up to VWAP, but Steve Ruggling a little bit here. Just a little bit of struggling here. See if it does want to continue. We got a little red. We got 1 minute trigger wave to the downside. Still got room on our 3. See if we can get up to VWAP here. Looking to possibly short VWAP if we do get here. Take it down to the bottom, but we'll see. We know we have resistance in here, and we know it's very choppy if we do get above VWAP. So be prepared. 634 people here, 173 likes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're live every morning trading this thing. We took the short this morning. We got stopped out by the volatility. We should have just left it, but that's fine. A lot of people got the short this morning, so congratulations, everybody. We've been we were 4 for 4. Now we're 5 for 5. So everybody, we've been crushing it this week. Good job. Super duper proud of everybody. Love seeing you guys kill it. Love seeing you guys do well. No trade here, just a big rollover this morning. A little bit of a wick test right here. The day for the mods, baby. The day for the mods. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Randy Hipper in the chat. What's going on? What's going on? Big old rollover here. NASDAQ plummeting. Bad GDP this morning. Holy smokes. Not looking too good for the stock market. We'll see how it goes. No pushback here. We could see a big recovery here, pushing back into this order block. That'd be quite massive, really. We'll see. No trade. The trade was the short. Now we're here waiting. 9 o'clock. Let's check our hourly. Let's check the hourly here. So very overextended on VWAP here, so this can typically curve back up. Choppy though, as we can see here with our momentum waves. 30-minute. Same thing, overextended to the downside. $15-minute trigger wave. Kind of bullish in my opinion. I'd like to see us come to the point of control / VWAP area. I'd like to see us come up to here first and halfway up this candle, then we can have a better idea. Five gifted memberships from Randy. Let's go. Let's go. And Alexandra G. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys so much. Mod day today. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out with the gang. Big old dump this morning. Pump it, says Randy. Says pump it. She says pump it, guys. Are we going to get long? Randy's saying pump it. 10 gifted memberships from Alexandra G, Road Glide, Lurker, Richard Price. Good morning, Crunk. Good morning. Tanvir, good morning. Daily profits consistently. Lurker. DSV, what's going on, bro? Good to see you here. Jonathan Schaefer, he's lurking and working, my man. Modding the mods. Crypto Zed, what's going on? Good morning to you. Samrit, lurker. Amy, good name, but also a lurker. What's going on? Thank you for being here. I gave away 10 as well, so we got Tim Young. What's going on, bro? Kamish, lurker. Lunchable connoisseur, good to see you, bro. How you been? Pancho Villa, good to see you as well. Tony C, lurker. Holden, lurker. Dap, FOMO, lurker. DV, lurker. In the nude. Ooh, lurker. He's naked too. JPEG J's, lurker. What's going on? Thank you for being here. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Django, becoming a baby otter. Thank you for supporting the channel as well and supporting the mods. Love seeing all the memberships fly around. Randy, you got Matthew here. Lurker. Bratochka, what's going on, bro? Block Crypto, what's going on? Curtis Neal. And YMY Easy X, lurker. Oh, man. Incredible. 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 Thank you, everybody, for being here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Then I won't call you a lurker. What's going on, bro? I listen and drive, ain't lurking. Just that's okay, Daily Profits. Thank you for being here, bro. Good morning. Drive safely, please. Don't be typing and driving, baby. Don't be doing that. You're going to get yourself hurt or others. The lurkers. Aloha. Milan, good morning. Tamale, good morning. We got 616 people here. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. If you wouldn't mind slapping up that like button, subscribe if you are new. Do appreciate you guys being here. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10. Hopefully helping you navigate these charts because it ain't easy. Taking live trades with you guys, hanging out. Good fun all the time. Looks like we're rolling over again. Rolling over again. NASDAQ dying. Coming down to our other buy level here. Woof. Woo-wee. Bear flagging. Bear flagging. Trying to hold on here. We got our golden pocket level down below that we're interested in. Like we said, we would like to see something like along those lines of. We'll see. It's slowed down quite dramatically here after our dump on the GDP, so I would have liked to see it get up to the VWAP, but we never got there. A little bit of patience here. SFP of the lows. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel, hanging out today. I do appreciate you guys being here. Gold is flying. Okay. Bad sign. NASDAQ dumping. Al Jr., 5 gifted memberships. My man. Eric Cahoon. Lurker. Rishab Gupta. Lurker. Cuddy. Lurker. L. Snapitan. Lurker. Nick Allegrand. Lurker. Thank you so much, Al Jr. Mark Dutch, the mod giving away memberships. All right. E-Roll, Lurker. Aaron Enabs, Lurker. Dwight Simpson, Lurker. And Drip OG, Lurker. Loss on Cryptos. I think I've seen you before. Good morning. Morning, G. Good morning. Good to see you. I ain't trading after the stream today. Crazy risky. Yeah. It's big old rollover. Mods. That's the one. What's going on, Ritual? Good to see you. Sharkvin, Hugos, Bill. This does not look good, everybody. This looks like down. Looks like it's pausing to roll over. Okay? That's what it looks like it's doing. Maybe one more push up and then we dump. 9:10, everybody. We do have more news coming out today. It doesn't end. Okay? More news is coming out. At 10 a.m., we got Core PCE. We got all these hardcore people here. We got Core PCE. We got personal income, personal spending. And by the way the GDEPI came out this morning, I wouldn't be too hopeful. That is, if consensus was 0.3 and they came down negative. Jeez. The more coming our way. So strap up and prepare for a fun ride today, everybody. We also have earnings for Meta, and so it's a lot to when you're just trying to trade technical analysis and you have constant data, fundamental data popping up, it becomes a bit of a headache trading because you can be like knocked out of your trade just for some BS number that they're printing. Even this morning, right? Like we put stop loss to entry on the short right here. Good entry on the short. And then we get scam wicked and then it dumps, right? What can you do? I mean, obviously we started with our stop loss up here, but annoying. Pretty annoying, right? So this doesn't look good though. More memberships? Holy smokes, you guys are on fire. You guys are on fire. RS Miller blessing the stream. Gains for life blessing the stream. We're going to have to get Gains for life an emoji. RS Miller, thank you so much. Blessing the mods. This is where we're looking for the long if it comes down. If we get the right stuff in here. Coming down. Got to read off all these lurkers, man. I don't know if I have the capacity to read off the lurking extravaganza here. Sweep into here and a bounce. That would be nice. We'll see if we get it. Here's our sweep. Can we bounce? No bounce. Continuation. Bull divs, probably. Man, this thing is just stalling out. That's dangerous, man. That's dangerous. Very dangerous. No trade here. This thing wants to keep pushing. Yeah, that's a nasty candle here coming in. More downside. Hitting our daily level here. BSM, good morning. Pixel Wave, good morning. Nice bounce out of here. Let's see if it does want to push back up here. I'm looking for the higher low, guys. I'm not going to just go off this blindly. Retest the previous lows coming in right now. KG, Lurker, Ace, Lurker, Walrus, Lurker, Jacob, Dorton, good morning. Alex, good morning. Desiree, good morning. Byron Miller, good morning. Crypto Hell. Good morning. Nice bull divs in here, guys. Can this push? Mark Dutch, Hugos. Here we go. Now we got the RS Miller ones. Oh my God. You guys are going to make me lose my voice this morning. Thank you, guys. Holy shit. I swore. RS Miller, man. RS Miller absolutely bombing the chat. Okay, we're gonna speed run this. Lurker, Steve Lurker, all set. Good morning, Professor Lurker, Inner Peace Lurker, Lucas Lurker, Sibel. Good morning, Sin. Good morning, Stevie O. Good morning, Mike McCarthy Lurker, Luna Moon Lurker. Between Lurker, I can't keep up with this, man. This is crazy. The mods getting showered. Absolutely showered. Full div. Pushing up here. Bitcoin trying to push back. Sweep of the lows into our level. Are we going to bounce? Anybody take the long here? That was the level. I did not take it. I'm too busy dealing with lurkers. Too busy dealing with the lurkers, man. Holy smokes. Where were we? I don't even know where we were. Can I get... I don't even think this... Here we go. Jezreel, good morning. Between, good morning. Immortal, Hugos, Ignis, Lurker, Batu, Lurker, Gains for Life, Sebastian Lurker, Trader Geo. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Cyrus, Lurker, Lady Lurker, Jatin Lurker. Kush is my cologne. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Jacko, Lurker. You guys better have gotten long while I'm reading this. This thing is pushing, baby. This thing is pushing. Key level given in advance. Marco Lurker, Jim Lurker, Aaron Lurker. Dragos, Lurker, Honda Man, Lurker. No, Honda Man's always here. Sorry. I'm overwhelmed. I can't handle this. AZ, Lurker. Coming back down here. Possible re-entry. One minute. Failure to make a higher high. Continuation down. No trade. You should be out of that trade. Damn, Daniel, this thing is dumping. I bet you Trader Geo's short. We gave the short, man. Kind of mad now that we closed it. Kind of mad, but we'll be all right. Another day. Hip, hip, hooray. Man, we ain't going to get through all this. Thank you so much, RS Miller. Let's see some dogs in the chat for RS Miller. My man, bro. Thank you for blessing the stream. I don't even know how many. It doesn't even. You've broken YouTube, RS. You've broken YouTube. RS Miller breaking YouTube, man. Let's go, baby. Thank you so much, RS Miller, for supporting the channel. NASDAQ, no bounce yet. 10 minutes till market open, everyone. Dixie's looking all right here, but still under 100, so we're guessing the SPY is going to gap down after that GDP news. And then we got more news at 10, guys. Like it's not going to be an easy trading day today, so be very well aware. You must use good risk management in situations like this. Otherwise, you're going to end up getting hurt. Like to me, this looks like a good long, but right now I want confirmation. I want to see this high taken at least. At least. The bull divs and the bear divs aren't working that well lately, so be aware. My hockey team lost last night too, so I'm very upset. Oh man. Look at all these new members. Thank you for being here, everybody. If you're not a lurker, just say good morning. RS Miller blessing the stream. Absolute legend. Thank you so much, man. All the mods will be are very grateful to the support you guys show. Means a lot. I guess it means RS Miller is like up for mod duties soon. Basic crypto chip. Good morning. Rule me out. David Brumbelow's lurking. RS Miller again. Oh my God. Let's go. Lurkers. Lurker. I can't handle you anymore, I can't handle you, Miller. This is crazy, man. You're going to break the stream, man. You're going to... Holy shit. God bless you, bro. Holy smokes. Jesus. Lots of dogs in the chat, man. We're spoiled here, man. Let's go. Bitcoin stalling out this morning after the big old rug. I'd like to see it move back up to VWAP, but right now we blasted through VWAP aggressively. We've retested the previous lows, continuation down. We're in our buy level right now, but it's still looking like more downside. Very clearly. More downside, even though we got 5-minute bull div maybe. Barely, okay? And not looking too good here. We'll see if it does want to push up, but I don't know. I think any kind of push-ups to be met with rejection, so. Naz trying to push here. Dixie doesn't look good. SPY. I'm going to see how this opens. We got 5 minutes till market open, everybody, so let's just be patient here. Sniper's long. 1% risk. Do I follow? Oof. I don't know if I follow. I just want to see. I'd like to see a little bit higher. I'd like to see something like this if we're going to get long here. But it could happen really fast. We could push really aggressive here. Just like we came down, right? NASDAQ trying to recover. SPY opening up. That's going to be the doozies. The SPY opens up. It could continue to roll us over. RS Miller up or down, bro? My God. Miller is the GOAT. Absolute GOAT. Thank you so much, RS Miller, for supporting the mods, man. Gains for life's long, half a position size. Okay. I don't think it's a bad long. Coming into market open too. So key level, previous day, SFP of the low. Okay, so you've done a couple jobs here. Right, if we zoom out, we look here, we've swept the low right here. We've come to our previous day level right here. Okay. Damn, Daniel, we pumping. Now you're going to make me FOMO. Sniper, why didn't you give the signal? Sniper Nightmare. Where's the pump? Oh, Madonna. Oh, Madonna. We're going to the moon. What was that? Is that a liquidity grab? Oof. What was that? Are we going to get long here? Oh, man. That was nasty. What happened? Jeez. Make sure you pay yourself on that one. Holy smokes. Now I'm tempted. Now I'm tempted. I'm tempted now. Oof. That was so aggressive, man. That was so aggressive. That's grabbing liquidity in here, though. Oh. Damn, that was scammy, though. That was so scammy. Yeah, we bounced off that daily close, Piper. Yeah, we had it marked out. We had the setup given in advance, bro. And now we're rugging. Damn. This is very scammy price action, guys. RS Miller blessing the chat. At least we have a good chat, a crazy mod stream every end of the month, man. RS Miller coming through, blessing everybody. So we've SFP'd the highs up in here. It's so tempting. 1 minute till market opens, everybody. Didn't even hit VWAP. Didn't even hit VWAP. That was such an aggressive candle. Sniper's Nightmare making lots of money. Maybe he should be trading for the mods. I'm tempted to long, man. Oh, I really don't like this price action today. It's been like super scammy, man. Because to me, that says we've swept everybody going short in here. But sitting on hands, man. Good morning, Giannis. Market's open, everybody. SPY gapping down as expected, okay? Rolling over. Big old dump on SPY. NASDAQ rolling back over. Careful, friends. Careful here. Like we said, market open could be very dumpy. Very dumpy. Bitcoin holding up, though. Trying to hold on here. NASDAQ rolling over. Trying to bounce. SPY coming to the lows in here. Trying to bounce. Bitcoin not looking too good right now. No trade yet. Still waiting here, guys. 3 drives down below, possibly. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Today is mod day. Thank you for supporting the mods. We got news at 10 a.m. We got 715 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Trading this thing live. We're 4 for 4 this week. Letting you guys know when we enter, when we exit, what we're doing, all that good. All the good stuff, man. So hopefully we're helping you guys, educating, all that fun. This is never financial advice. We're always just here to have a good time and hang out with you guys. We do have an amazing Discord if you do want to join that. We'd love to have you over there. If not, come out and hang here. Like 4 trade signals yesterday alone in the Discord, helping you guys make some money. Pays for itself, man. Pays for itself. Great group of people. Everybody's friendly. Good mornings. Working together to solve this market's not easy, so it's good to do it with a gang. You don't even have to commit crimes to be in the gang, man. You just got to make money with us. Hanging out. Okay, a little bounce off the NAS here. Still rolling over on Bitcoin here. After that weird pump. Very weird, scammy pump. See if this low holds. No trade for me right now. $50-minute VWAP coming up, trigger wave in the next hour or so. Yeah, by 10 o'clock. Could have that trigger wave printing. Doji candles all around in here. Indecisive. News driven, right? News driven, indecisive. 30-minute trigger. Money flow is coming in right now. Looking okay. Push Bitcoin into VWAP. Come on, baby. I know Sniper's long, and I know Gains for Life is long, so I'm cheering for them. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Put a 1 and a 2 if you're schlong. I need to know. Thank you, R.S. Miller, for blessing this stream. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. I do appreciate it. I know the mods really appreciate it as well. We got 1s. We got 2s. We got 1s and 2s. We gave the short this morning before GDEPI came out. What's going on, Brewberry? Good to see you, bro. Long, long, long. 2 short. 3 no trade. Yeah, I'm a 3 right now. I'm a no trader. BC's long. Brewberry's short, everybody. I might I might just join Brew. I might join Brew if we come up to VWAP. Longs, possibly long. Okay. No idea. R.S. Miller says, now we go up to 101,000. That would be cool. I'm down for that. Weird place to go from. Mitigation of the low. I don't know. I'm not convinced we're going up yet. I'd almost like to see one more SFP. Look at the NAS rolling over here. SPY's coming to its support. Bitcoin rolling over here. Bitcoin rolling over. I'd almost like to see one more. This is kind of make or break in my opinion here. This is make or break here. Lurking in the back. Thanks for pressing buy and sell. Try to do it successfully. Thank you, Crypto Vol, for the $5 super chat. God bless you, man. $730 viewers. Let's smash up those likes, everybody. Bitcoin rolling over here, given the short this morning. Big old dump for Bitcoin. Coming down, wrecking everybody. Wrecking everybody, man. Wild. Hopefully you guys had stop loss at entry. So we want to see a bounce and a higher low. That's it. No trade otherwise. The trade was a short up this morning. You could have taken a couple of these in here, but nasty, nasty, nasty. Bitcoin rugging everybody. Coming for the lows now. $786 in here. At the bottom. $94,000 psychological level. Possible. Big old continuation, right? Great short, everybody. Still patient here, everybody. Just waiting. So we have our 94,000-ish area, so right around in here. That would be our 786. We almost came to that VWAP short. Remember, we got news at 10 a.m. as well, guys, so could be a rough day ahead. Could be a rough day ahead. We got NASDAQ rolling over pretty aggressively here. Okay. Into our previous highs, retesting those. Bitcoin dying. Shout out to those who took the short, man. Great job, everybody. Great job. Woo! Look at this thing. Come and sweep the lows right now. Sweep of the lows, bounce up maybe. Can we bounce? Bitcoin dying. Down we go. Geronimo. Mo. Hitting our low. Targets for this? Oh, man. We looking 92.6. Coming back for this liquidity in the low in here. If we're going to lose this low, we got this one. We got this one. So we got lots of liquidity to come for in here, guys. As we roll over this morning. Bitcoin continuing to dump here. Sweep of that low right now. I would not try to get long here, everybody. I would just be patient here. Nice size orb incoming. Yeah, absolutely. Going to be a monster orb. Pushing back in here. I mean, the short would be the short. If we're looking for the short, we got a little dinky order block in here. Retest to previous lows. So if we're looking to continue this trade down, We're looking here. I mean, this thing's running down. Big old dump. It's kind of holding on to that low in here. I mean, if anything, we're looking for a short continuation trade, right? Shout out to those who got short, man. More news at 10, yeah? Yeah. More news coming, man. It's a bad GDP rating. Jeez. Yeah, the tail was that sweep, right? That push up. Like I said, this is like grabbing liquidity. We said that this morning, right? That push up right here really signified that even though we look like we're bull diving in here, the trend is still down, therefore suggesting continuation, right? This did a job. This grabbed late shorts in here. And plus, Brewberry was short. You guys should all be short. If Brewberry's short, you should be short. Right, Brew? Brew's one of our traders as well in our beautiful Discord. He does live streams every single morning. We got 766 people here. I think that's a record. Thank you, everybody, for being here on Mod Day. It is the monthly close coming in at us hot right now. What do we got here for monthly close? I'd say that's a nice monthly, everybody. Good April. You can't complain about April. April came down. What a big ass April. You got a 28% April. Holy smokes, Batman. I'd say that looks all right. What do you guys think? I mean, this little dip in here, I mean, we're all like, oh my God, it's going to zero. That's a nice monthly candle. NASDAQ trying to bounce right now. No trade, guys. It's either short or nothing here, but we got news in 10 minutes. If we lose this low, I think we come down much further. I think that would be, yeah. $92.8 at least. If we're going to continue to roll over here. Should not be pressing buy at all. Okay, so everybody, if we're dumping like this, you wait for this, please. That's why I didn't take the long. I liked the long in here, but I didn't take it. You need to see changing character, okay? Must happen. Otherwise, you're going to end up getting hurt. So don't try to catch this thing, is what I'm trying to say. Please. Got a nearly 300 likes. The mod's getting lots of support today. RS Miller, thank you so much for being. Thanks for being so supportive of the channel, man. I appreciate you. All the mods in here, everybody hanging out. Good morning, Melissa. Good to see you. Froth, Claire. Tradefly with the $5 super chat. Just wanted to tell the gang, the Otter gang, how much I appreciate you. Much love, fam. Much love, Mr. Tradefly, the man, the myth, the legend. Thank you so much, bro, for supporting the channel. I do appreciate you, bro. God bless. Hopefully you're doing well. I know you're busy. Bitcoin rugging everybody. Rugalina here. Horrible GDP this morning. And guys, it's not going to end here. We got personal spending, core PCE. All this stuff's coming out at 10 a.m. I guess I got to send you to Piper for him to break it down for you in the economic data. Because I'm a data, but I'm not a fundamental analysis. Let's put it that way. I pressed buy and sell successfully. We gave you guys a short this morning. I got stopped out. You guys are rich. Good job. Coming down for the lows right now. Jeez, what a dump. That's a good dump, man. That's a good old good morning 2% dump on everyone's head. So far. So far. We're not out of it yet. The first negative reading on quarterly GDP since June 2022, guys. I'm just reading that somewhere here. This thing's aggressive, man. Holy smokes. I'm from an igloo. I ride a beautiful moose. I have a couple polar bears out back if you do want to come and visit me. Ten gifted memberships from JD. Thank you for being here, JD. G received. Smoking candles. Let's go. Lurker. Delgado Lurker. The one. Lurker. Alan. I think I've seen you before. Good morning. Dee Lurker. Trace. Lurker. Naz Lurker. Crypto Creek. My man. And R Pink. Finally. Love it. Love it. So, breaking down here, we'll see if we do get any sort of retest. Look at that orb this morning, friends. We got the biggest orb known to man, okay? We got the biggest orb known to losing orb. We'll see if it does want to continue to roll over here. Jeez. This looks like more downside. that's what I gotta say. That's what I gotta say about this. I'll stay 1 minute over for the news. I just want to see what happens with the news. It's gonna be fun. What do you guys think? Homo sapiens lurking. Doggy dog. What's going on? Good mornings. Polar bears are great pets. Yeah, I love my polar bears. Anybody just FOMO in short, you would have been in the money anyways. I mean, we gave you the short this morning, but my God. You guys all got to be short, right? Short, 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 right? Currently up 2,000 on the short. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Lots of liquidity below us. We've taken the elevator up, so we take skydiving down, right? Still in short. Good job. Why so happy? We're happy because we gave the short today to everyone. That's why we're happy. I mean, I got stopped out, but that's fine. That's my bad. I got a little scam wicked. Like that's kind of lame, but at the end of the day, if you give the trade and everybody's making money, I'm happy. I'm really happy. Talking you through the long here, just understanding that was a liquidity sweep. You know, it's nice to be able to. I don't know. I guess I'm doing the Morgan Freeman today, narrating people into profits. And that's fine too. And we had the mod giveaway, tons of giveaways, RS Miller. We got 777 people in here. Absolute record here. Giving people the short. Couple trades yesterday, banging those out. Couple trades the day before. We're 5 for 5 now on the live stream this week, so that makes me happy, man. I love seeing people win, teaching people how to fish, traders helping traders. Right? We have an amazing Discord where we've been crushing it. I mean, yesterday alone we had 3 trades. Right? Yesterday alone, Brewberry giving all the setups as well. I gave the bounce level yesterday. The short, we took the short down, Adam and Eve with Kyle. Kyle gave a couple of great setups recently. We've just been all crushing it. It's been lots of fun lately. Just been trying to be patient, trying to help everybody, navigate these crazy times, man. Well, it's good fun. I'm just grateful. That's it. Just grateful. I'll keep showing up. Doing my best. Arbitrum alert. Arbitrum coming to a key level, retesting previous highs as support. This is a potential buy level for Arbitrum. Letting everybody know now. We got 20 seconds for the news, everybody. Let's get some more popcorn out here, baby. Then we're going to send you over to the Piper Academy if you behave yourself. I don't know if he can handle 700 people in his live stream, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't know how many subs are we from 13K. If everybody subscribes, we might get there today. That would be cool. I'd really appreciate that. We need 16 more subs to hit 13,000, guys. 16 more. That would be really cool. I'd really appreciate that. Here we go. Price is pretty flat right now. Let's see. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Personal income coming in as expected. Personal spending coming in over expected. And core PCE coming in under. Coming in under. How did the stock market react? A little bit of a pushback here. A little bit of a pushback. Jesus. I don't know if we're out of the woods yet, guys. 12,992 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate it. A little bit of a pushback here. Pretty wild indeed, man. It's a crazy day to be in crypto as per usual. We love the volatility. We're going to let the people vote right now. Do you guys want to go over and trade with Brewberry, or do you want to go and trade with Army Piper? You guys can vote. I will send you either way right now. We can close the poll. Where to? Brew or Piper? Oh, and it rugs us. It rugged us. It rugged us. Good pushback here. We got 75% brew. I gotta respect the people, man. You guys all want to go over to Brewberry and trade with Brewberry, one of our live stream Discord traders, helping you guys navigate the charts. Big old recovery. Great short. Great job, everybody. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to send you over to Brew because that's what you asked for. So I'm going to send you there. Don't forget to check out Piper as well. God bless every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later on in the Discord. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.